Please release it over to the reasonable. Thank you and enjoy your.
Welcome to Jurong Bird Park, home to over 5,000 birds, representing 400 species, many of which are endangered. Sit back and enjoy your journey into the colorful world of birds. Here at the Jurong Bird Park, there's so much to see and do. Be sure to catch the shows and keep a chit-chat sessions to learn more about our feathered jewels. The Pool's Amphitheater to your right features the High Flyers show at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. You are certain to be awed by an exhilarating lineup of bird stars and free-flying performances. Coming up to your left are the bright red scarlet ibises. They are fed a special diet which helps maintain the color of their plumage. To your right is the wetlands, home to the impressive shoebill and other birds dependent on some of the world's most rapidly disappearing habitats. Spend some quiet time bird watching from the viewing gallery, designed to simulate an observation hide. To your right, the Royal Ramble, home to crown pigeons, the world's largest and most beautiful pigeons. They are native to Papua New Guinea and Irian Jaya. To your left are the hornbills and toucans. These birds have impressive oversized bills to reach fruits on thin branches. Enjoy a close encounter with the hornbill during Hornbill Chit Chat at 11:45 a.m. daily. Windows on Paradise to your right is home to some of the most beautiful birds on earth. The birds of paradise are known for their courtship displays, which include dances and calls. We are about to make our first stop at Tram Station 2. We invite you to take a stroll through Lorry Loft, the world's largest lorry-free flight in view. If you would like to feed the lorries, please purchase a cup of lorry feed from our staff.